Hey. What am I doing? I'm sad and lonely today, so I'm gonna make quesadillas and show you how to. So folks, the ingredients you'll be needing is tortillas. Why do I have so many? Don't know. Here comes my cat, because he seems to think I'm giving him treats. No, I'm not giving you treats. Cheese. I have cheddar jack. A napkin. And a microwave. So anyway, so you're gonna lay your napkin in the microwave. So once it's in the microwave, you're gonna want to pop out your. Was that my shadow? Yo, there's a ghost. Oh, that is my shadow. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. That's probably from hot Cheetos. With tortilla timba. I shouldn't be making this. I already feel sick. Yeah. We good. Anyway, you should set it in the microwave. Quesadillas usually have meat or like flavor, so you're just gonna slash as much as you want. I'm lactose intolerant, so I shouldn't be putting too much cheese, but like also YOLO. Once you've got your cheese, you're gonna take this and put it right on top. Anyway, you're gonna put it in for 30 seconds. Now, key is to not stand too close to the microwave because it hurt. I'm not gonna do that. The quesadillas are done. So the key trick, don't just take it out. What? You gotta, it's hot. Wait for it to cool down for a couple seconds. Okay. You're gonna massage. That's hot. It is Corona time. Bye, Corona. You should wash your hands. Do you hear that?
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Anyway. Oh, that's hot. Okay, I think it's massaged. Now we're gonna cut the quesadilla. I like to cut it. I should take you out of the microwave. I like to cut it like a pizza slice. Yep, that's called good transitions. I don't know. Needy? No. Just how to properly wash your veggies or fruit. Girl was like, oh, I wash it in like veggie oil or something. It was not veggie oil. I came down here to show you how to make quesadillas. I ended up going up with Sprite, grapes, and carrots. And quesadillas. I mean, there you have it, folks. There's my tutorial on how to make quesadillas at 3 a.m. Yes, it is now 3 a.m. I'm gonna go watch The Office and eat my quesadillas. Probably cry a little, but I think it's gonna be fine. Why am I out of breath? I literally just went upstairs. I am not athletic, people call it. People walk. People are walking. I'm gonna sneeze. Right. I'm gonna sneeze. Fooled ya. So silly. I'm so silly. Toodles.